Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make jelly cube slime. So let's get started. You will need some clear glue, some activator, I use half a teaspoon to 1 cup of water, some jelly cubes, optional some food coloring or glitter, and something to mix in and something to mix with. So start by pouring in as much clear glue as you want. Now add in a few drops of activator and mix well. Repeat this process a few times. Once it looks like this, add in a few more drops of activator and mix well. Add a little bit of activator to your hands and start kneading. Now you can go ahead and add in your coloring or your glitter. I didn't do this before so that I wouldn't make the bowl all dirty. Now grab your jelly cubes and add in a few handfuls. You don't want to add too many of them, otherwise they will absorb all of the slime and make it hard. Once you mix in all of the jelly cubes, leave it in an airtight container for a few hours to let the cubes soften. Here I added in some more because I felt like I didn't add enough before. Here's what I have the next day. Enjoy the ASMR! Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye!